one question everywhere I go. How much would you charge for this cake? Well, my experience, my expertise, my talent level is different than yours, right? So you got to decide how much your time is worth. What's that?
I have none.
Yeah, so I would be charging a lot more. Interesting enough, there's some studies that have shown that women, we devalue our talents, right?
I've heard that.
So I will tell you that I'm on the side of, I've been doing this for over a decade. You're going to pay for my time and talent because I've earned that, right? Very much equivalent to a surgeon who specializes in knee surgery versus a general practitioner, right? So ladies, if you've been doing this forever, you should be charging more because you're worth it.
Charge more.
Yeah. So number one, charge more. Number two, your equipment, your ingredients, your overhead, all of those things matter, but they're different if you're in Texas versus California. They're different if you're using cheap stuff from Walmart versus buying in bulk, right? So your cost should never be the same as anyone else's, period. That's it. So we were talking earlier, like if you come to the Cake Mamas and you say, well, that's kind of expensive for a 3-tier cake. My neighbor said she'd make it for $50. I would have a laundry list of reasons why my cake should be $492 versus the $50 cake your neighbor's going to make you from a box mix or whatever, right?
Yeah.
So you got to be able
when she says box mix, man.
because we love that.
Betty Crocker.
Yep. And there's nothing wrong with that. You know, people have, I think a lot of people start with that though. Like it's easy. And you were talking earlier about like some people just want to be cakers. Maybe you just want to decorate. If that's the case, then be really honest. Like, hey, this cake isn't going to cost me a fortune because I'm not using high quality chocolate that's imported from Belgium. I'm using a box mix, right? So that might be something that your sister might be interested in versus my sister wants high quality, vegan, you know, celiac free, gluten free, whatever.
I made my own vanilla.
Right. She's willing to pay for that artisan flair on it.
Yeah.
So you got to know your audience.